everyone. Today we will do exercise 1.2 question number 2. And the question number 2 is find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So first of all you have to find the LCM and HCF, and the first part is 26 and 91. So first of all find the prime factors of 26, 2 into 13, and prime factors of 91, 7 into 13. Now to find HCF, what is the common prime factor of 26 and 91? You can see the common factor is 13. So common factor is taken as the HCF. Now LCM. To find LCM, first of all take the common factors and then take the other factors left after the common factor, that is 2 and 17. So 13 into 2 7 ja 14. This is 182. Okay. Now we will do verification. And the verification is HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. And our first number is 26. Our HCF is 13. LCM is 182. First number is 26 and second number is 91. Now we can multiply 182 by 13. 3 to the 6. 2, 5, 1, 2, 8, 1, 6, 6. This is 2, 3, 6, 6. And when you will multiply 26 and 91, it will also come out 2, 3, 6, 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verify. Okay. And one more thing to know. This verification is valid only for the two numbers. Okay, if you are finding the HCF and LCM of two numbers, then only this verification is done. Okay, this is not valid for the numbers for more than two numbers. Okay, this verification is done only for two numbers. Now, second part. Second part is find the LCM and HCF of 510 and 92. So first of all find the factors of 510. We know 710. 2 into 5 and then 51. 3 into 17. So these are the factors. 92. 2 into 2. 4. 4 into 23. 92. Now, HCF would be the common numbers. The common factor is 2. And LCM, first of all take the common factor and the other numbers. 5 into 3 into 17 into 2 into 23. Now, 5 2s are 10. Okay. 3 2s are 6. Or you can say 17 3s are 51 into 46. So 510 into 46. Multiply. We will do multiplication. 6 1 ja 6. 6 5 ja 30. 4 1 ja 4. 4 5 ja 20. 2 3 4 6 0. Okay. Now verification. We will do verification for this. HCF into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Now HCF is 2. LCM is 2 3 4 6 0. First number is 510 and second number is 92. Now multiply 0, 6 2s are 12, 4 2 is 8, 9, 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4. 4 6 9 2 0. Similarly, multiply this number. This will also come 4 6 9 2 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Okay, so this is the verification. Next is part number 3. In the same way we have to do part number 3. For this I have to remove the part number 1. Okay, let's first remove the part number 1. Part number 3. Part number 3 is 336 and 54. So first of all, find the factors of 336. So it would be 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is again 2 8 is 2 4 is again 2 4 is 2 2 is. So 2 into 2 into 2, 21 and 3 7. So factors would be 2 into 2, 4 times 2 into 3 into 7. So these are the factors of 336. Now 54. 54 we know 6 9s are. So 2 3s are 6, 3 into 3. So factors will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now for SCF, find out the common factor. The common factor is 2 and 3. So we will multiply the two numbers. So SCF comes out to be 6. Now for LCM, take the common factor, that is 2 into 3, that is 6, and the other numbers left. 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 and 8 7 is 1, 3 3 is 9. Now we will multiply it. 6 8 7 is 6 9 is 54 and 8 7 is 56. And it comes out to be 3024. Okay, now we will do verification. SCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So SCF is 6, LCM is 3024. First number is 336 and second number is 54. Now multiply. 18144. 18144. So LCM LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. So this is our question number 2. All the parts we have done. Thank you for watching.